Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Lady Tarot. Magkakaroon tayo ng general tarot reading. Ano ang inyong maging kapalaran sa pagpasok ng January 1 to 15 para sa ating mga Taurus babies. Okay, so this will be your first card. So meron tayong Seven of Wands, Knight of Swords, and Queen of Cups. Okay. So, Taurus, sa nakikita ko dito, you will be taking some time for yourself for the first half of January. And sabihin natin you are recharging. And after that, you will able to break out of your shell or you will able to, or kikilos na kayo. Or kikilos na kayo or nakapag-recharge na kayo. And I can see na you will steadfastly or dire-diretso, or mabilis na dire-diretso kayong magmo-move at your goal. Let's say yung mga gusto nyong gawin for the first half of January. You are dedicated and you have steeled your resolve para makamit yung mga gusto nyong gawin for the first half. And I can see na you are also overflowing with happiness here sa Queen of Cups. Or baka sabihin nating ito nga yung sa Seven of Wands. You have been taking time for yourself. Sabihin natin you are in a road of recovery or healing. And I can see na you have done very well or natapos na yung inyong healing process or healing journey for the first half and you are now able to go out of the world and mabilis nyo na makukuha or dire-diretso or tuloy-tuloy nyo ng or wala ng mga obstacles or challenges or blockades para makuha yung mga gusto nyo or yung mga gusto nyo ma-attain. So, we have additional cards here. So first up, we have mystery. And confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. And we have chameleon spirit, act as if. Okay. So, dito, ang inyong magiging journey ay shrouded with mystery or ending up with mystery. I can see na it's a good type of mystery or sabihin natin good type of surprise in the end. And I can see na once you have break out of your shell or you will gain confidence to break out of your shell and to achieve and it will be your key to success, ika nga sabi dito sa card. So you will be properly equipped. You will have the confidence para ipagpatuloy yung mga naumpisan. And ito nga yung sa chameleon spirit, act as if, parang gaya nga din ang sinasabi sa Knight of Swords, pati dito sa confidence. Hindi mangyayari ang lahat ng to unless you will take a step forward para magtuloy-tuloy ang ikot ng tadhana or ng destiny. So rest assured, Taurus, I can see na ginagabayan kayo since we have the mystery card and the Queen of Cups. So just trust in the process and magtiwala lang kayo sa sarili nyo and you will able to end up to what you're aiming for or dun sa success na hinahangad nyo. Okay. So that's what we have for your general tarot prediction for the first half of the month. Moving on with your love life reading for the first half then. So first card, we have the Queen of Swords. Second is Page of Cups. Third is the Two of Cups. Ayan. So, maganda ang aking nakikita dito, Taurus, in the case na kayo ay single. There would be someone who will be offering their cup of love for you, and I can see na matalino sila or wise. They are logical, reasonable. Sabihin natin hindi pinangungunahan ng emotion sa kanilang decision making, but then again, they are so sure na kayo ang gusto nila. And I can see na this can be a soulmate, a twin flame, or si crush, si person of interest, or ano pa ba pwede natin sabihin do'n? Ayun nga, um, mga admirer or admirer. Okay. So, ayan or baka, vice versa, kayo mismo yung mag-o-offer ng cup of love or kayo na yung mag-i-initiate, magfa-first move and, you know what you're doing, you are very, ito nga, intellectual, reasonable, logical, and you are willing or you are open, to be in a relationship or you are making your moves to them. So ayun nga, parang sabi, once you have break out of your shell, you will able to move onwards, towards their success. Kung sabihin naman natin ang iba ay sa inyo or sa love life nga, ang gusto niyong success ay magkaroon ng jowa or partner, we can see na you will able to have on the first half of January. Kung in a relationship naman kayo, we can see na both you and your partner have a clear communication from one another and parang binabalik niyo yung kilig dati. So, you are doing things na nagpagusto or ayun nga, yung mga bagay na nagpapakilig sa inyo or sa isa't isa. And we can say na magdi-deepen pa yung inyong relationship, your love, understanding, and communication from one another. So, meron pa tayo ditong card which is express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Okay, so this really speaks out for the singles. Gaya nga ng sabi natin, you will have the confidence to break out your shell and to express your love, to share and to spread it. And you will able to, or parang kayo na yung magpo-first move. Kung ayaw niyo naman, this may represents to your person in mind or to your crush or to your person of interest na sila mismo yung mag-first move para sa inyo. So, please be open guys. Wag na maarte, charot. I can see na it is all going well, or it is going smoothly for you guys. You are able to look on the bigger picture and everything is going fine. Parang wala kayong nakikitang mali or there's no cons dito sa nangyaring to or dun sa relationship na yun or dun kay person. Parang wala kayong nakikitang sablay or ikaka-turn off. They are so sharp, wise, sabihin natin mature din, pero sabihin natin they know what they're doing and they are looking ahead in the future na kayo nga ang gusto nila makasama in the long run. Yan. So, ganyan din sa mga in a relationship. You and your partner are looking ahead na talagang nag-iisip kayo ng mga plans for the future na parang pangmatagalan na to or forever na to. Ayan. So, ito nga sa express your love, kung sa in a relationship naman kayo, don't forget to express your love from one another. So, ayun nga, ibalik niyo yung kilig, do things na kung saan nagpapasaya kay hubby or kay wifey. And ayun, it will really deepen up your relationship and talagang pangmatagalan na to. Okay, guys. So, Taurus, that's what I can see for general reading for the first half of January. Take what manifests. And kung nagustuhan niyo ang reading, please like and share and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Goodbye!